welcome to my channel. That was weird. But yeah. So you clicked on this video because you want to see me do these. Now let me remind you, this is not a tutorial. This is just you watching me how I do it. I did make some mistakes, as you'll see at the end, but it is pretty bushy. We all good, you know. Get your music, get your popcorn, get your drink. Trust me, girl, I have my drink too. Boy, girl, whatever, whoever's watching. But yeah, just like, subscribe, enjoy products, all the instructions. Yeah, it'll be. So yeah, enjoy. So good morning. It is 10:27. Oh no, 10:28. So you know, I gotta wake my mama up in the hour. Gotta do my hair for, you know, it's time to leave out. It's Sunday, you know what I'm saying? Scrolling here on the YouTubes. No copyright, no non-copyright cut. So before I play my music, I need to do my hair. And sorry if y'all cannot hear me because I speak low. And I ain't know what to do my hair, so I decided I'm gonna just put some braids in, you know, leave my hair alone. So I got one pack of GlamKam hair. But let me tell y'all what products I'm about to use. I'm about to use my Blue Magic Originals hair grease. It's like $2 something. Dollar General, dollar, whatever dollar store. Miss Jessie's leave-in condition. It was like $9. I like it, but I'm probably not getting it again. The Cantu Kids curling cream. I got the bigger one, but I just don't feel like using it. And some Eco Styler gel, the crystal one. This and the this and the black castor one. I have that in my drawer right now, but I don't know which one to pick. Which one y'all think? Cause even though this been out before the black castor oil one, I don't know which one's my better. So got the brush. If y'all can see it, I don't know. Okay, y'all see it. Rat tail comb, bigger rat tail comb. These two I use for my parts. Yeah, that one part. Another comb just in case I want to smooth it down even more. Scissors to cut that hair in half. Brush it to tangle, and my little DIY mix of olive oil, tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and what else? Coconut oil, and I got a little bit of this oil in it. Now, if y'all like on curly girl method or something, I'm not. This had mineral oil in it, so I don't know if y'all don't like it. You don't like it. I just like the smell of this line always. But yeah, it's not a tutorial, just to let y'all know. So I'm probably going to time lapse everything. You know, trying to do the feeding method. This is probably like my 3rd time doing it. So I'm just going, cause it's a whole bunch of tutorials on YouTube, so y'all can go watch that. But let me stop rambling. Start doing my hair. Oh, by the way, this is like let me show y'all my hair before though. Okay. So I washed it yesterday cause it was stinking. It was smelling like it. Y'all see the natural curls coming through? But yeah, little edges. I'm brushing away. But yes, it's still a little damp up here since I had it up here. But it's clean. Washed it with the Aussie Moist shampoo and the 7-in-1 Miracle conditioner, which is Bay. Yo, my texture is so good. I want to cut it, but I feel like I should just keep it because everybody just told me keep it. But yeah, just grease my scalp, leave-in conditioner, cream, oil, brush, gel, slick it down, braid. That's all y'all need to know. Let me stop and get up. intervening. So I just finished moisturizing my hair. This is my paddle brush. Just cleaned it out because I can't stand when my brushes look dirty. So now we about to prep the hair. Okay.
Y'all, I'm over here listening to my music and I'm looking down my braid and I see green and I don't have green hair, right? So look, I braided my goddamn hoodie into my braid. Ugh, bruh, I can feed in my hoodie. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, now I gotta freaking undo that, and that's pretty damn hard too. Okay.
So y'all, I am done. Oh, sorry, it's not my video. I am done. And look at that. Okay, I did make some mistakes on this side because this side is definitely the better side. See, look at it. It blends nicely down here because, yeah, it just blends nicely. But this side, my hands were struggling. I was tired. Even though it's like 7 in the morning. Well, actually it's 12:22. Look at this side. See how it got big right here? And it doesn't look as good when it goes into the fake hair. Cause I ain't add fake hair until I got off my head. So probably like around right here. Around this area. Around that area. But it don't matter though. Cause I'm only wearing it for a week or two and nobody gonna say nothing. So I mean if they do, it's whatever. It's not your head, it's mine. They're not as long as my other ones that I had before. Because the other ones just have like maybe down here. But this is pretty good for one pack. That was split in half. Cause it's like long braids. But yeah, I am done. You know, if you're learning how to do feed and braids, definitely you need to be patient. Because this is like my third time attempting or doing feed and braids. Cause look at this. Yeah. But yeah, just have patience. You'll get it eventually. Just learn how to cornrow. I kind of took me a while to learn, you know, but it's all a learning experience and how you see it. But thank you guys for watching the video and subscribe, like, comment, and whatever. Share is whatever. Actually, I dig these. Probably buy some jewels, accessories. I'll take pictures and insert them before this video ends, but bye.